In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin, archive, and share notes in Google Keep step by step. We'll start in Google Keep, either on your phone or in a web browser. Once you have Keep open, find the note you want to work with. If you want to keep an important note easy to access, pinning it is a great option. Open the note, then tap or click the pin icon at the top. As soon as you do that, the note moves into the pinned section, which appears above your other notes. This is useful for things like shopping lists, reminders, or ongoing projects that you don't want to lose in a long list. If you ever decide you no longer need it pinned, just tap or click the same pin icon again, and the note will return to its normal place. Next, let's look at archiving a note. Archiving is helpful when you want to clean up your main notes list without deleting anything. In Google Keep, go to the note you want to archive. Open it, or if you're using mobile, you can long press the note to select it. Then tap or click the archive icon, which looks like a box with a downward arrow. The note will disappear from your main notes view and move into the archive folder. This keeps your workspace less cluttered while still saving the note for later. If you want to view archive notes, open the menu and select archive. You'll see all the notes you've stored there. And if you need one back in your main list, open the archive note and tap the unarchive icon. That will restore it right away. Finally, let's go over how to share a note. Open the note you want to share, then tap the three-dot menu to open more options. From there, choose Collaborator. You'll be asked to add a person by entering their email address. After that, tap Save or Done to send the invitation. Once the other person accepts, they'll be able to edit the note with you. This is especially useful for shared checklists, team notes, or planning with someone else. If you don't want to collaborate and only want to send a copy, open the three-dot menu again and choose Send instead. Then select the app you want to use, such as email or messaging. That way the person receives the contents of the note, but they won't be editing the original version inside Google Keep. And that's how to pin, archive, and share notes in Google Keep.